With AI increasingly coming into the business world, one thing's for sure: the future is not going to look like the past.
Employees in any industry could benefit from the Management of AI certificate, and that's because the reach of AI in today's business environment is great. We see AI technologies being deployed in basically every industry. It's being deployed in finance, it's in the auto industry, it's in healthcare, it's in social network sites, it's in transportation. At the School of Business, technology pervades everything that we do. And so we're in a unique position of both having the expertise on the management side, but also having people, many of our faculty, who have actual experience managing AI projects and managing other technology projects.
What we've seen so far is that artificial intelligence not only speeds up and empowers current work processes through increased predictive capabilities, they also fundamentally change the rules of the game.
Part of the purpose of having a Management of AI certificate is to actually help people understand the questions that they ought to be asking and the issues that they ought to be talking about when deploying AI technologies. Everything from data privacy issues to how AI technologies interact with different regulations in particular application domains. In practice, how do you actually manage an AI project end to end? How do you deal with a system that is changing, where your model of the world is one that can't just stay the same?
Stevens, through being so focused on cutting-edge technology and cutting-edge applications of that technology in fields like AI, machine learning, telecommunications, and others, shows you that the only way to stay current going forward in business is through technology, is through being a technologist yourself.
Given that the landscape of AI technologies is changing rapidly, my greatest hope is that students will get a broader perspective on the range of different application areas of AI technologies and on the range of different voices that are really necessary in successfully managing an AI project, because it's not just the people developing the technology, it's the people using it, it's the people surrounding the people using it, and it's society at large.